sons and daughters of Africa, trying to make the impossible possible with our hands, with the assistance of a paper. We are using words. Inibele ngiphinze nginemukele ke babukeli behlelelene nelithandayo lihamba embili eSwatini TV nasemhlabeni wonke nje Dandla nenkondlo libito lami ngimfortunate ngokamabuza niyathi masikuthi futhi utana tinkondlo bese sota nabo labenda yona imisebenzi yeDandla cha namhla ke simfolele sonkondlo wethu TM uthi ke mina ngingisonkondlo lodlala ngawo emagama ngiyalapha phinze nginte bamfu babe happy labanye phinze bakhale ngade nathi inkondlo takhe ndadivela ke mbukela ukuthi uthi umsonkondlo nje kahle kahle ukuthathelaphi lokho futhi ngibani lothi vele uyavuma ukuthi TM unguye sonkondlo.
And we are emburdened. Sidindlalifa tesekhaya emazulwini. Sitha sisidingela ngapha nangapha. Singemanjwele. Buka ke nalo he aseleko ujangaze njalo kulelibala. Wake wathi Mnqobi akhuleka wena babe usikhukhukade thina singemanjwele sefukamele. Sinebuthakathaka ke ngosi benyama la ngadelelisa imiphefumulo yethu ukuthi itikhandle ngeke ukwati wena sonini nanini. Mhla tinyembeti tethu tisondla imihla nemihla malo nemandla sente babe singakhohlwa. Mhla nekugula kudlala ngekhathi enyameni nasemitimbeni kulamadvokotvo singakhohlwa kuthi wena wakhile. Ngoba inyama yethu iyala kodwa Thixo somandla siyacela ngematfolo kugana siyilo ngisho sekubipha letilonza tala tibobotsa sifuna kuvuma ngetetfu tindzebe sithi wena babe uyingcwele sibuye babe sikushayele lihlombe sithi mana njalo wena lohlete esihlalweni asikamboni ke ngosi lofana nawe. Ngoba kungabe kuyaqala futhi kuyaqaka kubona waJehova anqotshiwe nasendvulo kwakuzange sekwenteke bese ke kungashintsha ini ngawe wena sonini nanini wena nyanga lelapha ingakaliphathi lishoba wena mphithanisi wemakhanda mhla sitha sithi siyahlasela sikubonile babe uhlahlabula nelwandle lelibovu yemkhathini bese kuyini ke nekukhala kwethu wena uve kwema-Israyeli kweminyaka neminyaka saleke babe uqala uphendvule nemikhuleko ngosi lesiyenta ngetinyembeti livi lihoshota lala nekuphuma uphendvule babe netinyembeti tetfu lesitenta njalo ngosi uma inyama seyala kwekuthi sikhuleke sesikhungethwe imicabango lefuna sitiyamise nelikapa ube nje solo kuwena ngosi usinqanza usho kancane kasikafika isikhathi ngoba sinekuqonza babe mhla usidala wasinika sizathu wase uyasehlanyela kulomhlaba kuthi siyawuba sibuko salabo labafise kusibona. Ingakho sithobisa babe tinkhanuko tenyama siphakamisa lakho libito sikuvumisa sikutusa ebuhleni nasebini wena babe lokukhanya ibumnyameni langa lethu lekuphila siyatusa ngosi imihla nemihla.
Mbukeli sengihlethisane naye TM tasixoxa abandike ukuthi ufika kanjani ekubeni ngisonkondlo usho ngani futhi ukuthi TM ngoba ngiyaye ngivela abanye yena njengabe uthi yena TM the poet but uthi yena cha mina nje ngi-TM ngigcina khona lapho kude lokunye lokubese kuyangedwa eceleni TM usho kahle mos noma ngibele uthi MT
No, it's TM.
All right unjani vele
Ngiyaphila sisifortunate.
Ngiyaphila nami ngivusela umbukele ekhaya uthi introduce ukuthi ngubani wakabani uqhamuka kuphi.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Gama lami ngingimase koThube Lihle ka poetry ngatiwa nga TM ekhaya kaNdinda eNdondozi.
Okay. Why TM?
Bengifuna ku incorporate my first letter in my name and the surname.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right, wathi wona khanje ngifuna kuhluka mina ngifuna ukufana nalaba ngibosonkondlo laba bese sebasho body poet.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngaqala ngakwenda ukuthi ngibe ngi-TM the poet then when I was like sale ngiphize ngishintsha ngibuyela nje ngiba ngi-TM straight.
Okay, so neminyaka lemingakho poetry?
It's my 4th year.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Uqala kuphi uqala njani sifise kwadi naloko ukuthi uzogcine uba nalesibinzi sewe ukuthi cha mina ngingavela ngisho na TV ngente Donati Nkondlo uqala kuphi kahle kahle?
Ngaqala e-high school St. George Bosco High base nekubhala sinemngane wami wasibanze. Then we noticed by Madam Masewe at that time saqala senta kwasakudlala ngekukhuluma recitals. Then I was recognized by Fleming lwangi-introduce ku-Anonymous that I was got introduced ku-Poetic Sons and Daughters. I-event yami yekuqala yaba under i-Decepticons Entertainment le kwakuyi-showcase by Nokhula at that time. Then from there I got labanye labathi kusebuya to performer, come let's organize this and that, but in most cases bokhanza athi ngisupportwa ngibabe.
Okay, uyatibhalela uyati-recitela or kukhona lokubhalelako bese sothi wena cha mina ngidawufika nje sengirecite.
Ngiyatibhalela pheze ngiti-recitele, in other cases ngibabhalele nalabanye.
Okay. Ngivile ubala ukuthi uyaya kuyo-reciter ube ne-audience lethi kuba yiningana.
Yes.
Wenda kanjani? Siphe stopha ama-tips nanangi lokucala ukuba yi-poet noma lo hlale yena a-reciter ati-record kuphela angafuni lokubonakala.
Eish, akude blueprint for that except that nazo sembi kwebantu just know ukuthi you have their attention, you have to do what you planned and practiced ukwenda ngendlela okuresa ngakhona. Yes, elivalo litaba khona, but you have to maintain your breath konke lo takwenda.
And we are sons of Africa, have these burning flames within our heart that keeps us going. And whenever we fall, we stand up and dust ourselves, for we are sons from the dust, echoed by our ancestors, to keep on changing the spheres for generations to generations, for our names to be written in skies. So once we can be marveled at and say that our clans have been fairly represented. We are Africans at the end of the day, with the melanin touch of our skins. It is what makes us human at the end of the day. The air we breathe, the flesh that lives within this skin. And if you dare sink in, you will see that with our fears we have made and articulated perfections by ourselves, so that the Master himself could stand and say, surely this is my image, and with this I am so proud. These are my sons and daughters. They have surfaced and surfed through the deepest storms like eagles. They have flew above the storm set, and they have filled and lived their season with seasoned articulation of their emotions. We are not immortal at the end of the day, so be careful what your words say. Empower us. We are kids with dreams. We believe that one day they will be mastered, and surely we shall and we will change Simo Sasekhaya.
Utitshele kufika kuphi ne-poetry?
Oh, I'm hoping to be a brand one day later, but displayed in bigger stages, things and cherish other people in the industry.
Okay.
But the aim is for others to be recognized through their talent in poetry and make a living.
Okay. Bayaye bathi-ke nawe neliphupho kumele ucale kancane uline-cherish utosho ukuthi yati mina ngacala kaso ngalokuthi bengifisile kusita naba labanye bosonkondlo yini wena lo yindako nyalo kuze ukuthi ugcine lo sonkondlo lothi ufise kuba nguye.
So far I had partnered na Thenjiwe Balinkondlo in orchestrating events in Poetry in a Park. Last year I was a part of BTS, which was TM Bukhosi na Shivas Lesenda I Love King Lead. And I was looking into doing other projects. I was calling recently send a project here, Ecot Theatre and Arts, which incorporates works with an artist labatwa wonanan, but it's going to be theatre setting.
Okay. So far logo work organizer attendance kanjani?
I can say the attendance was fair because askates and a profit askates and a loss. In most cases, bokhanza silam katzin.
Okay, kulofisile-ke kunijoyina next time na niphinze niba nema-events la kanjengalawa yini lo ngabe thembisa wona?
Ukuthi they can come forward, siyafisa kusebenza kanye nabo. Our doors are always open.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, kusonkondlo losekhaya ngimaphi amavilo ngamchushisa ngawo ukuthi naye agcina angilo sonkondlo lathi lahlala athi nguye ngoba lo munye umuntu athi nathi kati buke sibuke nasho athi yathi mina ngidibona ngifika lapha but kusede lokulaqalile kwenda.
Yo, ngikuthina ubhala umsebenzi wakho unake the type of words indlela lo ahlele mbisa ngakhona nasokuqala urehearsal lokwenda kokunake. If you going to stage ama-rehearsals akho wathi ukuthi okay the first stanza kutanza sasikhathi lesingaka kusenda, put the emotions behind your work. Nangabe futhi noma ngawucela umfuthu akakubhalele na ufika lo msebenzi loyo, make sure ukuthi you master it you know ukuthi nangisuka la ngiya kule stanza lesi kumele ngingene kanje, the emotions kumele atshintshe kanje, and ukhona nek-adjusta live lakho in the different stanzas.
Okay, kusicelela ke kubatali ngoba lahlelweni siyaye sibe nebafunzi labathi bona babosonkondlo noma afika umfundisi athi mina ngifisile kuba ngisonkondlo but ekhaya bayi understand lento. Nasikachazela umtali nje kumvetela ukuthi kahle kahle nasikhuluma ngetinkondlo sikhuluma ngani, phindze imcwa kanganani ngumuntu lo utiva ukuthi yathi kuthini. Inside me there lives a poet.
Lesingakusho nje kubatali ukuthi once he says or she says ukuthi ufise kuba ngisonkondlo, mkhutsate kuthaka bhale nasakafuna kwenta stage performance lalapha khona be there, show your support by all means necessary. It goes a long way. And yes, the industry seseyincane isakhula, but we believe ukuthi with the amount of recognition leseyigaina umfana wakho can be something tomorrow through poetry.
Okay, kusikhutsata ke njengema artist ukuthi singaphelelwa ngemandla endleleni ungasikhutsata uthini?
Let's keep doing our work bafethu. Kude futhi lokunye lesingakwenda tisebenti tincane emakhuba alingene labo labakhona, so let's keep on pushing, let's strive for success. Kokonke lesikwendako, let's have one goal ukuthi ekugcineni kwakhona we are doing it for the industry, not ourselves.
Okay, sifisile ukubona emicimbini yethu lesiba nayo, sikuthola kanjani phindze sikuthola kuphi?
Ngiyatfolakala ka FB, it's Thuba Maseko and then in brackets TEM. Bese inombolo tami ithi 79264094, le WhatsApp ako ya MTN ithi 78247968.
Ngiphila encenyeni yemikhuleko leyaphendvulwa ngumdali yaphendvula make. Leminye yakhona wayiphendvula yabobotha wagana silo inyama iphika. Leminye yakhona wayiphendvula injabulo yayingekhathi ingako lamuhla mina ngifisa koyami impilo ukuthi etihlathini takhe kungageleta tenjabulo. Ngifise kumkhawula ngimtshele make buka indvodzana yakho namuhla sengiloku lebe usoloku ukufisa ukukhulekela. Ngifise kumtshela ukuthi make emavakho enhlakani lebe usoloku wathuleka ngekhathi kimi akawelanga phansi lenhlanyelo lembewu lengimi lamuhla lo wayihlanyela emhlabathini lovunzile buka seyakhakaza buka lelihlumela seliyamila ngoba ngesheya kwetilandle ngibavile bababata bamangata nebubandi bekujula bemavi ami. Ingako kwamine ngifise kwekuthi uma bangibona babone imisebenti netifukutfuku tetandla takho, ngifise abone nemijuluko yakhe lapha kimi ayiwelanga ebandla. Ngifise abone kwekuthi konke lebekakufisile ngami umtali wami lamuhla sekube yimpumelelo ngoba kuyala ngekhathi ukuthi ngitishaye sigila mkhubi ngitselele imiyalo yakhe kungoba yena waqhubeka kule ndlela watimisela wabalihlanhla ndlela wathi mfana wami ngifuna ufunze ungafani nami yizena bakwendeka lala angakadli kodwa mina wala wadzebesela wathi mina ngingete kwavuma ukuthi lishone ngondliwe tinyembeti wala watila konke lebeka ngakutila kude lami likusasa kube ngilelo lekuqhakazile. Ingako kwamine ngifise kwakuthi imikhuleko yakhe lebeka solo ayikhuleka ngami umdali mhla ayiphumelelisa kube kungathi uyabukisa ngoba letibuso bekabheke kuthi ngibe ngito kuami umtali ngiyavele ngibe ngito.
Somvile ke mbukeli TM ukuthi uhaya kanjani phindze wafika kanjani yena ku poetry futhi ngiyathunelwa ukuthi nawe nalo solo ubhacile lapho uthi mina ngiyipoet kepha ungafuni ukuphumela ngephandle namhla udawusho uthi ngeke mina ngize ngihlule ngi-TM ngoba uthi yena ke tandla takhe futhi tivulekile ukuthi akuside nawe nasonkondlo wami lohlala uthi wena unabo stage fright, wena uyesaba nje vele usabani. Asibahlole emarket ke mbukeli nasibuya sichubeka nayo uhlelo ungayinzawo. Mbukeli solubukele lona lihlelo lakho lokuthandayo nalihamba imbili eSwatini TV na7 lonke nje Dandla nenkondlo. Ngiyethemba ukuthi uthi enjoyile tinkondlo nyalo sothi cha ngede phela ngalalela tinkondlo kuphela kumele ngifunze naloku lengakwenda ngeDandla tami. Namuhla ke sise eSwatini College of Technology lapho khona sithole khona Nkosinathi. Uthi ke Nkosinathi mina ngiartist but lokhu lengikufunzelako lokho akufocus kakhulu kulo msebenzi wami lengithi ngiwenda ngeDandla tami. Sifise kwadike ukuthi yini lena lemgcugcutela each and every day ukuthi abe artist. Nkosinathi siyawemukela ehlelweni lethu Dandla nenkondlo. Vusela umbukele ekhaya usho ukuthi ungubani wakabani uchamuka kuphi ufika kanjani phindze ekubeni iartist.
Ngiyabonga. Njengasoshintsho ligama lami Nkosinathina Ngakawini. Ngiqhamuka emculweni eManchong sekhaya. Ngasho ukuthi nginelikhono lokudweba. Yes. Kodwa lo ngikwenda la esikolweni akuhambisani naleli khono lami. Ngilokuthi ekhoneni lami kushoda ngathi support nalokuthi ngidawukhona yini ukuphila ngalo.
Okay.
Yes, kusetele ukuthi iassurance ya ukuthi nangathi angendi computer science ngakhona ukuphila ngaleli khono lami. Into shoda bo marketing support and still training. Yes, ukuthi ngibe emsebenzi lomuhle kakhulu.
Okay.
Yebo.
All right, so wawucala nini nomsebenzi wakho wetandla?
Isikhathi lesithi ngicabanga edabembo grade 3.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ngicabanga ukuthi bekunamakhelwane wami libana lo lelikhono. Bekasidwebela bopopayi bethu leni asithengisele. Nebengibathenga lawo bengiwathenga ama-drawings bese ngiyabuya ngiphinde ngicalela phansi ngiyadrawela.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Kwabe ukuthi nje bengihle ngiyekela ngalokuthi kulikhona. Nalokuthi bengidina lo support yokuthi okay ngalokuthi uyakhona kwenda lokho asozame ngana indlela nayi into ba right. Ngabe sengiyayekela isikhathini ngiphinde ngihle ngibuya nyalo ngicubekisa ngilokuthi nangibuka isithombe lesinye isithombe ngiyabona ukuthi yabo lesithombe lesi nasingaba black and white ngepencil singaba sihle then bese ngiyakuthatha ke ngesidwebo kwaba khona longisitako.
Okay.
Yes, ngimolatsani. Yes, ungisita ngalo provide nayo material because isinale material be ilikhoni. Yes, ngiyanginike material namaphepha anginike ne collaboration ukuthi ideas lengeta nawo naye etena akhe. Ngibone ukuthi angisita ngakuphi ngaleni fole ngimtshetse ngifuna kwenda nako nyana. Ukuthi ngifuna maybe ku dobati inwele because itinwele tibalikhoni bese uyasho ukuthi okay itinwele ungadoba ngale ndlela lena le asho indlela lihlukahlukene then bese mina ngiyakhona lo ukuthi okay indlela engisebenzayo ngile.
Okay.
Then bese ngiyakhona ukuthi ngicubeke nesithombe because uba likhona ukuthi ngidawudweba bese ngihlula maybe indlebe ngakhona ukuthi ndawucube kanjani. Uba frustrating bese uyayekela nje. Yabo.
Uyalisinga losito lalomunye umuntu.
Exactly.
All right. Now uthi uyadraw ke nyalo usebenzisa i-pencil, pen or is something in a color?
Ngithanda i-pencil.
Okay.
Yes, go black and white.
All right.
Yes. Ngoba okay i-pencil ngasho ukuthi if naleli khono lokudraw ungaqala ngayo because ama mistakes lamaningi uyakhona kwa eraser with pencil. Nalokuthi ngikwami ngithanda black and white. Yebo. Then bese ungaqhubeka uhambe ngema pen nema colored pencils. But ama colored pencils ngasho ukuthi a little bit advanced kunema pencils because mele wati color combination or blending stuff. Kuthi nangithi red na yellow ngahle kuba ngelinye color. Yebo ngiyaqala kulo pencil then naso le skill sokudraw bese ngaya kuma colored pencils.
Okay. Since uke waveta ukuthi ke waqala wa draw ema cartoons nyalo sohambe wafika phi when it comes to drawing?
Ngaqala ama cartoons nyalo ngisebantwini.
Okay.
Yes. Ngithanda ukudraw abantu. Nawungathi ngidwe indle ngahluleka kodwa nako ngiyadraw.
Okay.
Ngidraw umuntu. Yes. Maybe netilwane.
Okay.
Yes. Funa kube ine human form. Sengayidraw ni environment la kiyo lo muntu. Ukuthi maybe ngidraw wena usekhaya. Maybe unemndeni wendathi mfutako. Yes.
Uyakhona lokusikhokha sonke leso sithombe leso.
Yes, ngakhona ukukhokha nonke naleli tshelo tolibona phasi.
Okay. Now uthi ke uyakhona khokha le midvebo leyo uyaye udvebele kuphi ku A4, A3 noma nje wena uthi any paper noma ngalinganani mina ngidokhona kudrawa kilo?
Any paper noma kanani. Ngaqala ku A4.
Okay.
Yes, ngabe sengiyayichubachubeka ngaya A3. Lokuhle ukuthi nasisesikhulu lesifombe. Konke kuba ngathi more detailed. Yakhona ukudraw in detail ubone ukuthi okay liso kanjani udraw ngisho lishiye. Because nangabe sesincane lesifombe ubalikhonyana and uyadojeka ezimfulo draw wakho.
Okay.
Ngiva ngathi mina i-drawing ngimele ibe na more detail. Yes.
Okay, ngivile nasacala ukuthi ngalawo in the computer science then uyawenda umsebenzi wakho wetandla washo ukuthi awu focus kakhulu kuyiwo ngekuthi usabade support.
Yes.
Yini lo ngayithembisa eMaswati nalaba sibukelako ukuthi if they do come to you njenge artist.
Yeah.
Yini lena labangayitfola labangeke baze bayitfole from other artists?
Wami ngasho ukuthi uhluke ngalokuthi nangidweba ngidwebela ukuthi kube ngathi kube realistic but ubone ukuthi le ipensela. Ungabi lokuthi udraw umuntu. Kuna kunaleli khona ukuthi ngikudrawe ube nguwe kufanele ukuthi ngikushuthe ngelicinga. Mina ngifuna ukuthi kube kanjani. Ngifuna ukuthi ubonakala ukuthi umsebenzi wetandla. Ngisho ngathi ukiwa kuphi. Kungabi lokuthi vele uthi awu ngisho solifake emshinini maybe ya printer uya scanner lesithombe. Kube vele ngathi hayi lo umuntu futhi ethenje isithombe wathi black and white. Funa ukuthi nawe uthi ngisho ungascan ubone ukuthi okay lo ubekwenziwa umsebenzi wetandla. Yes, ngifuna ukuthi kube too realistic.
Okay.
Yes.
Isithombe sakho siyasithatha emalanga la mangakhi nje asithi face yacht.
Face yacht. Ongasho ukuthi kushiyana ngale size.
Okay.
Yes, kodwa na njengalo makirane wambeka waqala wangifundisa ukudraw. Washo ukuthi ngitoo fast. Ngisho ngathi ngidweba maybe A4. Now face eliveke eliningi.
Okay.
Eliningi kakhulu. Ngwalo uthi nithombe letinye lengake ngadweba kwathatha less than 4 days waze washo yena uthi hayi usicithe inyalo bengimtshela ukuthi okay inyalo ngifuna ukudweba naso asho uthi okay udingingi dawuta kimi nasothi ngi-advice ngisidwebe ngasicitha khona ngasidweba within 4 days ngathi nakufika kuye wathuwa uthi sengisicithile lesithombe lesinyalo nyalo washo ukuthi eish ngisho okay ngwazama ukuthi ube slowanyana to capture more details ungajaki umsebenzi but ngekwami esengivathi kuyangibambelela.
Okay.
Because ngiyakhona lokudweba fast so minimum yami ngasho ukuthi 5 days esithombeni nasithi ama details lamaningi ubuso 2 days emningi.
Okay.
Kodwa esikhulu umsebenzi wami ngilowawenda ngikhumbula ukuthi bekuyi A1 esikhulu kakhulu ngasendela lo munye ngasicitha within 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yes, shothi ngasho ukuthi maximum time yami lesithombele maybe lesikhulu ngaba inyanga.
Okay.
Yes.
Lokusho ukuthi nje babukela bakuthembe nabeda kuwe bafuna ukuthi ubadrawele. Siseda ke kudokusupporta sida kutfola kuphi sikutfole kanjani?
Wona ngitfola ga Facebook by Nathi Wayne. Yes, noma ngitfolale ke ecingweni ku 79620400. Da WhatsAppela usho ukuthi une sithombe esingakudrowa. Then ke ngacela lesithombe ngisibuke ngisanalyze cause njengawo ukuthi lesinye labanye bayeta bathi bete namuhla kulesithathu asho ukuthi dasidinga ngemsombuluko lapho singephasi kweliviki labe ngiyasibuka lesithombe ngikutshela ukuthi okay lesithombe lesi nakhona kusidowa maybe in 2 weeks yabo ngalo ukuthi nginayo le challenge ngathi ngiyafundzela then bese lo umsebenzi wami wenda ngalesinye isikhathi yabo kodwa ngema weekend yawo right ngizama ukuthi ngibe fast on weekends usually na demand ukuthi maybe kulo Monday wena lo sithenga ngayo maybe uhamba naso uya somewhere ngoba birthday or something ndawuzama ngema weekends because ngiyakhona kuvuka ekuseni ngisidrowe then ngirefresh phinde ngibuye emini then nasentambama then lapho futhi ngidrowa like 3 times a day lapho ku minimize lesikhathi but sekufaka pressure la game ngileyo ke inkinga leyo hlubhekana nayo na kude nesikhathi kodwa ngitfola ka WhatsApp ungisendele lesithombe then sisho ma price nani uthi utositfola nini na kanjani.
Satiboneke mbukeli umsebenzi lo muhle lo wendiwa nguye nkosinathi kanye naye TM mboneke ukuthi nawe lemfolo yendawo akusilo liphutha nenje wena lekumele ukwende kunye ukuthi utimisele utitshele futhi ukuthi yathi kuthini lemfolo ngendawo ingiyo futhi bamfu batayithanza ungabe sesothi hayi ngoba kwendiwa ngimi lemfact ibukela phansi mina angithanzi mani kepha ke wena nje chubeka utitshele ukuthi you know what I can do it. Sitabonana ke mbukele evikini elitawo ngaso isikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.